Hi everyone, Michael from Bling Tea, and we are making a turmeric blend Dalgona. Dalgonas have been made using coffee, Dalgonas have been made using matcha, and as I said today, we are making a turmeric Dalgona. What is a Dalgona, you ask? A Dalgona started in South Korea. The drink started in South Korea. Think about an inverted latte where the milk is on the bottom and the coffee mixture is on the top, or the matcha mixture or the turmeric blend mixture is on the top. It's very sweet and luscious. It's just a different take on a drink worth trying, really worth trying. Very easy to make, takes just a few ingredients and a little bit of mixing, a little bit of noise, and you will have yourself a treat that cannot be beat. So we start with 1 egg white. This is for 1 drink, by the way. 1 egg white, 1 squishy egg white goes into a bowl. And then I'm using a beater to beat it until there are stiff, shiny peaks. You can use a whisk, but it's just going to take you a little bit longer. So stand by for the noise. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that I have a headache right about now. Let's take a look at the egg white. Again, you can see, I think you can see that. Nice little stiff peaks, kind of shiny. It takes a couple of minutes to get it to this point. Now what you do is you dribble in 1/4 cup of simple syrup. And simple syrup is equal parts water, equal parts sugar melted into equal parts of water. So this is a 1/4 cup, so it's a 1/4 cup of sugar melted into a 1/4 cup of water. You dribble it in and continue with the loudness. Okay, so we are getting to the good part. Take a look again. It's kind of increased in volume. Very shiny, the sugar and the egg mixture. Now comes the colorful part. We add 1 teaspoon of the turmeric blend. And as I was saying, look how gorgeously golden that is. What I was saying about the turmeric blend is that it's already pre-blended with some ginger, cinnamon, and some black pepper. So you're good to go with absolutely everything. You just plop it into the mixture and give it another mix to incorporate. We're almost done. 1 more mix. This is the last mix. Caution you to insert the blade into the mixture before you turn on the mixer, and turn it on low because you don't want to end up with the powder all over the place. No. I'm really good at this. All right, done. Let's take a look at the mixture. Look at how gorgeously, it's almost how gorgeously ochre it is. It's kind of this ochre look to it, all incorporated. And we are now ready to assemble the drink. And the way to assemble the drink, let me get rid of this mixer. I keep wanting to call this a blender, but it's a mixer. It's a mixer. I'm gonna try to remember it's a mixer. You use 1/2 glass of milk and you dollop this mixture onto the milk, and purportedly what it's supposed to do is float on top of the milk. So let's hope that this happens. I'm sure it's going to happen, actually. Just dollop away. You have a lot of volume here, so don't be afraid. That's why you have only 1/2 glass of milk. So dollop it on top. And look at this. Oh my God, it's working really well. Oh my goodness. I hope I didn't make too much of a mess. There you go. And let's just set this aside. And I forgot a spoon. back. Let's take a look at it. Isn't this amazing? Look at that. Sort of the milk and the ochre yellow anti-inflammatory mix on top of it. It looks very, very good. The way you would enjoy this is either use a nice big thick straw or mix it up, try and incorporate it. I'm gonna try and do this without making too much of a mess. And almost there. I'm not gonna get it all incorporated. It takes a little bit longer to incorporate it, and I don't wanna have you sitting there watching me stir this thing for too long. All right, well, we're gonna just let it go from here. I'm just dying to give this a taste. Here we go, diving in. Yum. Has the freshness of the milk, and then you've got the warmth of the turmeric on top of that, along with the ginger, the warmth, the added warmth of the cinnamon, and a little bit of bite from the pepper. Really, really good. I would definitely give this a try. Make it for your friends again, like whenever you get to see them again. Hopefully it's going to be soon. But definitely worth a try. We're going to be popping this onto the Blink blog at blingtea.com, and hope you join us again next time. Take care.